Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to register a Presto card as a student. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to open up your internet browser and go to google.com. So just open up any internet browser. It doesn't really matter what kind of a browser you're using. As long as you can access the internet, it doesn't really matter. So once you are on google.com, just search for Presto card here, and then just click on the first link like this. So I'm just gonna wait it out. Just gonna wait for it to load. So once it has loaded, you should be redirected to this page. So all you have to do is click on new to Presto. Just click on it, and here you have to click on get a card, and after this you will be redirected to this page. So you can read it. You can read all of it, and then just click on sign in, sign up in the top right corner, and here you can just um, click on sign up and create your account, and you will be prompted with simple steps that you will have to follow to get a Presto card as a student. So this is how you get a Presto card as a student. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.